In this video, I'll show you how to download data from Yahoo Finance. To get started, go ahead and open Yahoo Finance on your device. Head over into your portfolio. On your portfolio, you'll be able to find the portfolios that you've created on Yahoo Finance. So simply click on that portfolio to where you want to download data from. So click on that and you get redirected into this section. So in this section, you can simply click on this download button at the top right of your screen beside this eye icon in between the settings and the eye icon. So you click on that download button and you'll be able to download your data along with your portfolio as a CSV or print it immediately once you've connected your device into a printer. So after you actually save that, you'll be able to download data from your Yahoo Finance account. Currently, there is no option for you to actually download specific data from your profile or specific data of a specific stock name. You can download your entire portfolio itself as a data. That is how you can simply download data from Yahoo Finance. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.